Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 118 scale video. So for some reason I thought I had made video on this model, but for some reason, I checked on my 118 scale video roster playlist, and I didn't find this one in there, so here we are. So this is an Auto World. This is the Jack Reacher movie version of the 1970 Chevelle SS. It's not all that special. There's nothing really to it. Because you also can see this Chevelle in the same paint scheme style in Fast and Furious, one of the end scenes, I think, or something like that. But you can see this car. There's multiple like scenes. I haven't seen this movie myself, but it is somewhere. I don't know where could I find even this movie. I haven't heard about it. Like I said, I didn't get this car for the movie. I got it because I want the model. It just that happened. It was in this box. Here's some information. You can read that if you want to. There's the car, silver screen machines, and let's get it out and have a closer look. This one is from my private collection, of course. So, not new. Come on. A bit difficult to get it out, but I got it. There we go. Here's the model itself, looking very, very good. So I did a video on the older Chevelle. This one's the newer one. I think I did a video on the 68 version, I think. That one has the old front end, not this modern, more modern looking at least. That one had the four more square style headlights. Also were four. Grill was much more different. This one's much more simpler looking. It is dusty because the dust got through the box to it. So this one also has suspension, at least for the back, not for the front, only for the back. It's not too much, but it is there. So it is pretty nice to see suspension rarely on these 118 scale cars. We have nice BF Goodrich tires. We have Traeger rims. I think these are original. Yeah, they're SS, so these are original to the car, so they're not custom. The back ones are slightly more deep dish than the fronts. There's a base details. We have nice tire threads going on. Of course, the base is plastic. You can see there's the suspension in there. And it does move. The entire back moves, as you can see. And also the drive shaft works, as you can see. You spin the wheels depending on which way. So that's super cool detail. They do that. Yeah, let's get into the inside details of the car as soon as I'm done looking around. CHD, I don't know what that's, Pennsylvania. So let's start with the doors first. So on this model, everything opens. There's some inside details. Got like the seat belts and everything. The front and I think the passenger seat do fold. Yeah, they do fold. The other one doesn't really want to stay folded. This one folds so you can get into the back seats. Some details there. As you can see, the wheel turns as the wheels turn. Close that door, this door. Of course, there was some detail on the door itself, as you can see. Then we'll go for the back, which a bit, you need a nail to get that one. Here we got a spare tire in there. There is no texture inside; it's just plastic, hard plastic in the back there. The tire is rubber, of course. Spare tire being the same one as here. Nice exhaust. Now let's go for the front. Now the front is way more detailed, and I love these. Like, look at these hinges. Those are crazy. They're like all separate. They're all actually moving. I need to press it down slightly on the sides because, as you can see, it does function. So that is very cool. Very highly detailed. And in the engine bay, as you can see, is also a very highly detailed, little crazy wiring going all over the sides. There's some text here on the radiator, but my camera, I don't think it'll pick it up. That's way too small. Yeah. Got a battery there. Pretty nice. Very, very nice. Okay, let's close that up. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that would be all for this one. Weirdly, it doesn't have a license plate here. We have the like lensed. I think these are like turning lights, or these are fall. Well, I don't know if they're fall lights or they're turning lights with these because they're white. They were because the fog lights. I think at least the beams. You get the basic lights which are on the sides, and I think the beams are the inner ones. That's what I think, but of course I've seen them both being lit up most of the time in videos and stuff like that, so I'm not fully sure how it is. Of course it does roll, as you can see. Oops. So yeah, there you have it. A 70 Chevelle. Well, that will be it for this video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.